You can make your own signature scents in this perfume making class in Sydney. And you can learn about the history of perfumes, base notes, heart notes, and top notes in this perfume workshop. I love this because everything is natural with organic essential oils, scents, and fragrances with over 100 scents to choose from. I started off with trying strawberry and I immediately fell in love. I went here with Jess and we absolutely love all their floral scents. Once we've narrowed down our favorite scents, we'd make a puddle pop fan and smell it. We'll be making eau de toilette and eau de parfum, and with our favorite scents, we went straight into mixing by following the instructions. This first one is eau de toilette, which is alcohol based. And the next one is eau de parfum, which is oil based. We were really excited to smell our signature scents. Very demure, very mindful. Wow, it does look like a floral citrus and I love it. It's like very sweet. This is a perfect girls' night or date night to naturally ready in Marrickville. Follow for more fun things to do around Sydney.